There are people who hate Mondays, and there are those who love them because they're happy with their jobs. So today, we're going to show you workers who do their job perfect. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell.
He seems to be a skilled man with extensive experience. I honestly wish I were a little child again. It's a dangerous job, but he knows it. They seem to be very professional in their field. Sometimes strength plays a significant role in our lives. This is how you feed young calves. It seems he spent a long time working like this. Sometimes you don't need anyone if you can do your job on your own. Cooperation is the foundation of everything. It seems he spent many years for this. You need to be strong and experienced to do things like this. I couldn't find an explanation for this. Sometimes skill does that. He seems to be not just a builder but an artist as well. Sometimes strength isn't everything. It's just a physical matter. Sometimes creativity is enough. You never need strength, my friend. Well done, sir. You deserve respect for that. A truly relaxing clip. Honestly, they know their job very well. She seems to love her job, and besides, she's an expert.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment.